Adidas killed Balenciaga with these new sneakers. Yo, Jan, you win?
No, did you?
Yo, same over here. I just lost, man.
Yeah, where, dude?
Yeah. Man, she's never gonna win, yo.
Dude,
I'm like 0 for 10, bro.
Did okay.
Yo, what's good, guys? We're back. Brosefilles in the building, and we got another sneaker review for you guys.
Oh, dude, we do? Yeah, but before we get started, is there something we gotta say?
If you guys can, please like the video right down there.
You ain't sub, you better sub, you know?
Yeah, right down there as well, right beside that like button. You should probably hit that bell.
Damn. Oh, damn. What are we reviewing today, dude?
So today, I've been buying way too many, and I got chill on it for a bit.
But I mean, if you want to help us out, like, y'all send us some shoes, know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But anyways, guys, pretty excited for these.
Yeah. It worked out.
Yeah, we got a new Adidas sneaker here. This one is pretty special. It pays homage to the Oscar-winning Steve Novak.
Oh yeah! I love Steve.
Shout out to Kobe Bryant one time. Pays homage to his crazy one. We'll flick it up there.
I like how you flick that up.
Yeah.
Flick it back there. Oh yeah! Oh, it's coming back and forth. Yeah.
Yo, I'm getting like vertigo. This is supposed to be one of the revamped versions of it, and it's a futuristic spin on it.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
These ones here are called the Crazy One ADV Sock Primeknit All-Star Weekend. Let's get this unboxed here, dude.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yo, team effort, dude. I can't. Yeah. You guys have to like this video for us to open it up, man. Come on, yo. Come on, man.
Oh, I feel it. Oh, 5 likes.
Oh, yo.
10 likes, dude.
Yeah, dude.
10.
Hey! Yo, shout out to you guys, man. You guys are honestly, we love you so much, man. Seriously, man. Shut the fuck up. Anyways,
I have to get out of here. This guy's crazy.
Yeah, I don't trust my fingers right now, dude. This is all you.
Yeah, this is a dangerous one, man.
Yeah,
this is triple white.
Dude, it's like, yeah.
Yo, let's get it. Let's get it. All right. Here it is, guys. The Crazy One ADV Sock Primeknit All-Star Weekends. Now, you guys might have seen sneakers like this in the past. You know what I'm saying? Like, we got some Balenciagas.
Oh, yeah, it's a big one. Yeah, it's a big one.
We got the brand Black Gammas.
Oh, yeah.
Now, Adidas has their own spin on these here. I say they killed it.
I think so, too.
Yeah, I think they killed it. There's probably about like 50% who actually fucks with this shoe, 50% who hate this shoe. Yeah. Maybe it's less, maybe it's more. I don't know, man. You let us know in the comments below. Yeah, man, for real. Yeah, you know what this looking like, man? Like that Michelin guy.
Oh, the Michelin guy?
It's like someone amputated him. These are his feet. Like,
oh, dude, yeah.
Like the Michelin.
The Michelin guy.
Michelin guy, yeah. So you can see the upper is triple white. Pure Primeknit upper, all over. Such a beautiful scene. I love it. You know what I'm saying? It's triple white, it's Primeknit, stretchy. And you know what's crazy about it?
What's crazy about it?
Although it's Primeknit, it's very structured. Look how it's holding up that ankle sock liner right there. It's still staying up. It's not floppy-doppy like you think it would be. As for the aesthetics, guys, we got a horizontal looking rib pattern going up the foot over here, right? Super nice. It's raised. You can feel it, man. When it goes more to the midfoot, we got 3 big lines for the Adidas Originals 3 stripes.
Dude, that's cool.
We got 3 more stripes here. Again, you know, Adidas 3 stripes original, going all the way up.
I like that. I like that.
To the heel. To the heel. Yeah.
I have a question for you though.
What's up, dude?
Dude, how do you feel about these like stripes and stuff on here, dude?
Yeah, it's like. Yo, I'm not too sure, dude.
Oh, yeah, dude.
I don't know, man. It's honestly looking like a shed skin from a snake.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. Or like, you know, like the end of a condom when it's...
I like how the way your finger feels when you like go across it, dude. But aesthetically, I'm digging it, dude. Like some people be like, there might be some too much bumps in this. It is good enough for me.
Now, on top, we got this very, very crisp... What was this called? Like, so on the top, it's very secure, you know, to hold your ankle in place, man. Won't be loose. It will look like a sock. In the front, we got a pull tab. I'm not too sure why they would have this, like, super sticky rubber over here.
I was, like, feeling it, and then all of a sudden, my finger got stuck, dude.
Yeah. And the back, though, we got this nice back pull tab kind of thing. It's in a leather suede cut material over here.
I like
all right. We also have it saying Adidas, the brand with 3 stripes. We got the crazy in blue. It's a pull tab for the pull tab.
Oh, dude, the pull tab has a pull tab?
Not too sure why we got this little thing here. I feel like it's just gonna rip off, but hey, it's cool, man. It's futuristic.
Okay.
Now, when it comes to the outsole and midsole, boom.
When it comes to the outsole
And midsole, it's actually more of like a basketball type outsole and midsole. When you look at the bottom here, it's got them nice pivoting angles over here. You see how it's rounded off, you know?
I see it, dude.
When you like, you know?
Yeah, like the Kobe's crazy ones.
Yeah, exactly, man. But the thing is, I wouldn't play ball in these because you'd probably bust through all these prime knits here,
you
man.
would be ripping shit, dude.
But it's cool. We got rubber pads and a forefoot and the heel. It's got a zigzag pattern, you know, for that good grip, and got some little torsion looking thing in the middle.
Does it symbolize something, dude?
I'm not too sure, man, but it's soft. It's like some reflective material. What is this?
You can press down on it,
It's
dude.
like gum, dude.
Tastes like it, dude.
This is not some EVA rubber cushioning. This is PU.
Oh, PU? Dude, what PU stand for?
I'm not too sure,
Yeah,
man.
me too, dude.
When it comes to the medial side of the
Oh,
shoe,
dude,
we have the cutout that all the crazy sneakers have, and it says Adidas, you know?
Yeah.
The brand with 3 stripes in 3 different languages.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Pretty cool how it's like kind of cut out there. It's nice.
I know how it's like a sock, dude, right? So like, is your heel moving all around in this?
No, man. When it comes to this leather strap, that's what helps your ankles stay secure, because when you look on the inside, it actually pinches the heel cup here, so that way your ankles aren't swishing around like mouthwash in your mouth when you have bad breath before a date. Oh, there's an outsole.
Whoa!
Yo, hold up, man.
Can you take it out?
Oh, you can take it out.
Is that ortholite?
It's an ortholite insole. It says crazy. Adidas ADV 0018 for 2018. Dude.
Oh, yeah.
One thing to note about these guys is when I tried these guys on, they're not as cushiony when it comes to, like, you know, let's say for example a Boost sneaker. You know, it doesn't got that Nike React kind of cushion going on, right? It's a lot more structured. It's harder. Like I said, it feels like a basketball outsole. I definitely don't recommend playing ball in this.
No.
Alright, guys, you're probably thinking about, yo, how much is this though?
How much is it, dude? Is it like how much is it, dude?
Guys, a 169 Canadian after tax and shipping went to $200. I paid $200 for socks. I'm actually crazy about these, you know, if I do say so myself. You guys should know the fit for this here is actually true to size. I'm a size 9. I got these in a size 9, and it's actually perfect lengthwise, widthwise. You know, let's say for example you have a little bit of a wide foot. Jan does here, and he tried these on as well. The Primeknit is able to stretch to your, you know, wide foot.
You aren't gonna be busted, dude.
Nah, dude, you won't be. Yo, what are your thoughts on these, dude?
Dude. It kind of looks like something you would see astronauts wear, dude.
You actually, man, this is looking like some one step for man kind of sneakers.
Dude,
you know what I'm saying,
I don't know if you can say if it's man, dude. It's 2018, dude.
But the thing is, yo, I don't know how they're gonna be floating in space because these are heavy as bricks, yo, for
word,
real.
dude.
Like, yo, hold up, yo, listen. This is not even a foot off the table, alright?
Yeah.
Listen to how dense this is.
Yo!
I love Tim Hortons. Let us know what you guys think about these futuristic type things in the comment section below.
Yeah.
I S with this a lot just because it's super different. I'm part of that minority that really likes this model, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, you ain't about that meta, dude?
No, I'm not about the meta, dude. But yeah, man, let us know in the comments below what do you guys think about these sneakers.
Is it hot?
Yeah, I think it's hot. Yo, do you think
I think it's hot, dude. It's a 90s like tribute, but there's nothing retro about it.
If you guys did like this video, please
Hit that like button.
right down there, dude. And subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed yet, you know what I'm saying, man?
And if you're trying to get that notification, then where can they got it?
Yo, you can hit that bell right beside that subscribe and like button.
Whoa,
right
dude.
down there.
Yeah, I like
And
that.
if you didn't like this video, you're a little delinquent, you know what I'm saying?
I got OPA in my motherfucking vein, yo. I got Oka played in my motherfucking hand, yo. And my enemies, and they gon' bleed to death, yo. Wrist underwater and my chain on some Satan, yo. Now I'm gonna go Johnny killing myself. Let me know what the weather for my